One more video about Iseki tk33 series, how it's made. I just want to do some upgrades with it, to put some new lights on, backlights. Okay, what I found, it's the dashboard, and maybe you need to change lights since some light bulbs are broken in the dashboard. So there are 4 screws like this. You take those away. It doesn't get away very easily. I took off this frame, which was not very convenient for me, but you can take dashboard out without taking framework, this frame away. And light bulbs basically are changeable very easily. You just push them to a side, take away, change the light bulb, which is like this, and put it back. So it's how to change Iseki tk33 light bulbs.